Meet Andrew Kamphey, a guy who built a mini empire around Google Sheets. In just 24 hours, he launched Better Sheets, and now it makes over $5,000 per month, while he and his family travel across Southeast Asia. Stay with me, this isn't a get-rich-quick story. It's a story of doing one thing really well. Andrew spent 5 years automating his 9-to-5 job using Google Apps Script. Little did he know, that made him a coder in disguise. Fast forward to 2018. He quit his job, ready to indie, hack full-time. First, he flipped an influencer marketing newsletter for $37,000. Then he launched a SaaS hype letter, but it plateaued at just $200 teen month. Inspired, Andrew recorded 8 Loom videos, no edits, no fluff. He posted 4 free previews plus 4 paid tutorials on Gumroad. Built a simple card landing page. In the first month, $390. Then came AppSumo. Boom. Over 1,000 buyers. A business was born. Better Sheets. So how does this Google Sheet teaching biz make money today? Templates and tools. Gumroad. 12%. Subscriptions and consulting. Stripe. 22%. Lifetime deals. AppSumo. 50%. AppSumo Marketplace. 4%. Udemy courses. 10%. YouTube ad revenue. 2%. It's simple. No fancy tools. He didn't chase AI, crypto, or trendy tech. He doubled down on something everyone uses every day, Google Sheets. And here's the kicker. His marketing method. Nothing crazy. YouTube and SEO. That's it. No viral hacks. No growth stunts. No paid ads. If your product is decent, you don't need to be a marketing wizard. But you do need to go all in. Here's a real lesson from someone who's done it. I've never seen a service business that's seriously focused on YouTube, like posted 500+ helpful videos and still failed. Same goes for blogs, or podcasts, or any platform. You don't need to do it all. You just need to do one thing well. Andrew did it. He picked Google Sheets. He picked YouTube. He committed. And he won. So here's the real question. When will you win? What boring tool could become your gold mine? What platform could take you to freedom?